let's look at the challenge question. There are 10 pallets in the warehouse. Each pallet has 10 boxes. Each box has 10 packets, and each packet has 10 bars of chocolate. Right? David took 1 bar of chocolate, 1 packet, and 1 box. How many bars of chocolate are left in the warehouse? Right? Initially, how many bars of chocolates are there? So we have 10 pallets. In each pallet, there are 10 boxes. So there's 10 by 10, multiply 10 times 10. And then in each box, there are 10 packets, so times 10. And then in each packet, there are 10 bars, so it's times 10. So we have how many bars of chocolate? Multiplying by 10 is very easy. Just count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which power of 10 has 4 zeros? It's 10,000. So it means there are 10,000 bars of chocolates. But David now took 1 bar of chocolate, 1 packet, and 1 box. So it is 1 bar of chocolate plus 1 packet. 1 packet, there are how many bars of chocolates there? It's going to be 10. 1 packet is 10. Is 10. Then plus how many bars of chocolate will be in 1 box? In 1 box, there are 10 packets. And then in each packet, there are 10 chocolate bars. So it's going to be 10 by 10. So it is basically 1 plus 10 plus 100. Right. But the question says, how many bars of chocolate are left in the warehouse? We have to calculate that. We have to subtract 111 from 10,000. How do we do that? So we can say we have our 10,000, write our numbers nicely, and then we have 111 like that. Then we're subtracting 0 minus 1. These are the ones. 0 minus 1. We cannot subtract 1 from 0. So we have to borrow from the tens. But there's nothing. There's 0. We have to borrow from the hundreds. Again, there's nothing. We have to borrow from the thousands. There's nothing. So we have to borrow from the 10,000s. Okay. Let's borrow 10,000 here. So we'll have how many thousands? 10 of them. Here now there's nothing. We've borrowed everything from the 10,000s. We have 10,000s. Okay. And then we borrow 1 from the thousands. And then we remain with how many thousands? 9. And then we have 10 hundreds here. Then again, we borrow 100 here. We remain with how many? We remain with 9. Now we have 10 tens here. And then we borrow 1 from the tens. We remain with 9 tens. And then now we have 10 ones. Now we can subtract. Ones, we have 10 minus 1, which is 9. Then 9 minus 1, which is 8. 9 minus 1, which is 8. Then 9 minus 0, which is 9. And then 0. So we have 9,889 bars of chocolates. How many bars of chocolate are left in the warehouse? It's 9,889. Write your answer in words. 9,889 bars of chocolates.